how much should you actually spend on a chicken and dumplings recipe? Because some people are happy with the basic ones, while others swear by the fancy ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, dumplings for beginners. First up is Dumplings for Beginners by Terry Dean, priced at just $8.49. What caught my attention is the step-by-step visual tutorials, which is perfect if you're just diving into the world of dumplings. If you want to build real kitchen confidence, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes 50 beginner-friendly recipes, covering everything from pot stickers to bows. The troubleshooting tips and shortcuts are incredible, especially if you're worried about your first batch turning out right. This book is a great starting point for anyone who feels intimidated by making dumplings from scratch. Plus, it offers flexibility with fillings and sauces, so you can cater to your taste. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced recipes. Here's the thing though, this book is focused on beginners, and for that audience, it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're new to cooking or want a fun family activity. Skip this one if you're an experienced cook looking for gourmet recipes. For the price, it's a solid investment in your kitchen skills.
Product number 2, Dumplings Equal Love. Next up, we have Dumplings Equal Love by Liz Crane, retailing for $14.27. I was drawn to this book because it promises delicious recipes from around the world. If you're looking to spice up your dumpling game, this could be worth your time. Now, here's why this cookbook shines. It offers a diverse range of dumpling recipes that go beyond the basics. You can explore flavors from different cultures, which is perfect for impressing guests or just indulging yourself. The recipes are designed to be approachable, so you don't need to be a master chef to make them. It's got a great rating on different platforms, which shows people love the variety. However, I did notice some reviews mention that certain ingredients can be hard to find, especially if you live in a rural area. But honestly, if you're willing to explore your local markets or online, this isn't a major issue. This is perfect for you if you enjoy trying new cuisines and want something unique. Skip this if you prefer sticking to traditional recipes. For a book this price, you're getting a culinary world tour in your kitchen.
Product number 3, Bisquick Recipes. Our third choice is Bisquick Recipes by Katherine Johnson. And get this, it's free. I was surprised by how much you can get without spending a dime. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is definitely worth a look. The cool thing about this Kindle edition is it includes everything from chicken pot pie to dumplings. The versatility is great for those busy weeknights when you want something quick and delicious. Plus, it simplifies the cooking process with easy-to-follow instructions. Honestly, the convenience factor is hard to beat when you're juggling a lot. Now, some people pointed out that being a free resource means there aren't as many detailed recipes. Here's the thing, for quick meals, it does the job just fine, and you can always look up additional tips online. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or need something quick and easy. Skip this if you're looking for gourmet-level recipes. Honestly, you can't beat the value here.
Product number 4, Dumpling Recipes. Coming in fourth is Dumpling Recipes by Anthony Boundy, priced at $10.24. I was drawn to the promise of 30 delicious recipes from around the world. If you're searching for something that combines variety with tradition, this book is worth checking out. Here's why this matters. Each recipe is designed to highlight classic techniques while offering modern twists. You get a good mix of flavors and styles, so there's something for everyone, whether you prefer meat or vegetarian options. Plus, the casual writing style makes it feel like you're having a chat with a friend in the kitchen. The book already has positive feedback from readers. However, some reviewers mentioned that it lacks photos for each recipe, which can be a bummer. But honestly, if you're comfortable in the kitchen, the instructions are clear enough to guide you. This is perfect for you if you want a mix of traditional and modern dumpling recipes. Skip this if you prefer a more visual guide. For the price, you're getting a solid collection of recipes.
Product number 5, The Best Guide for Dumplings by Ali Allen, priced at $10.82. What caught my eye here is the promise of becoming your best friend in the kitchen. If you want a reliable companion for your cooking adventures, this could be the choice for you. The key features include detailed instructions and tips that make the process less intimidating, even if you've never made dumplings before. It covers a variety of doughs and fillings, which is essential for creating your favorites. Plus, the author's approach is friendly and encouraging, which really helps if you're feeling nervous about trying something new. The book has been praised for its clarity and usefulness. Some people felt that it's a bit basic if you're looking for advanced techniques. Here's the thing. If you're just starting out or want to simplify your cooking, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a supportive guide while learning. Skip this if you're already a dumpling pro. Overall, it's a great value for the money.
So, we've covered 5 fantastic options for chicken and dumplings recipes. Whether you're a beginner, looking for global flavors, or just want something simple and easy, there's something here for everyone. The Dumplings for Beginners is great for those just starting out, while Dumplings Equal Love offers unique cultural recipes. If you're on a budget, Bisquick Recipes is a steal. For a mix of tradition and modern, dumpling recipes is perfect. And if you want a reliable guide, the best guide for dumplings has got you covered. Happy cooking!